Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Nvidia control panel not found problem on your laptop. If it's missing from your laptop, start menu or right click menu. Don't worry, I will walk you through easiest fix. First, let's make sure your laptop actually detects the Nvidia graphic card. For that, press Ctrl Windows plus X. Choose Device Manager. Open Display Adapters. If you see your Nvidia GPU, great. If you see only Intel, that means the Nvidia drive isn't installed on your laptop. If the control panel is missing, it's usually a drive issue. Open your browser, go to the Nvidia website, download the latest drive for your laptop GPU, install it and restart your laptop. After restarting, try right clicking on the desktop. The Nvidia control panel should appear. The control panel might be installed but hidden. Open Start, search for Nvidia control panel. At the bottom left, click Desktop, add Desktop context menu. Also check Show Notification try icon. Now the icon should appear when you right click the desktop. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.